If you're dealing with dryness and irritation in your nasal passages, Rhinase Aerosol Mist might be the solution for you. It can help with dry air, allergies, medications, colds, and other conditions. This product adds moisture inside the nose, which can help dissolve and soften thick or crusty mucus, making it easier to remove. This can help prevent nosebleeds, relieve a stuffy nose, and make breathing easier. Rhinase Aerosol Mist contains moisturizers in a gentle purified salt solution, also known as saline or sodium chloride solution, and does not contain any medication. The recommended dosage and optimal timing for using this product can be found on the packaging, but it's important to follow the instructions provided. Simply spray Rhinase Aerosol Mist into each nostril, typically every 4 hours or as needed. Be sure to follow the directions on the product package. If you have any concerns or questions, it's best to consult with your doctor or pharmacist. If your symptoms persist or worsen, or if you believe you may have a serious medical issue, seek immediate medical attention. Remember, it's always best to consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns about your health. When using Rhinase Aerosol Mist, you may not experience any side effects. However, if you have very dry and irritated nasal passages, you may feel a mild stinging sensation. If this persists or worsens, it's important to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If your doctor has prescribed this medication for you, it's because they believe that the benefits outweigh the potential risks of side effects. Many people who use this medication do not experience any serious side effects. While it's rare, a very serious allergic reaction to this drug can occur. Seek medical help immediately if you notice any symptoms of a serious allergic reaction, such as rash, itching or swelling, severe dizziness, or difficulty breathing. This is not a complete list of possible side effects. If you notice any other effects not mentioned here, be sure to contact your doctor or pharmacist. If you're in the US, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects. You can also report side effects to the FDA. In Canada, you can call your doctor for medical advice about side effects, and report them to Health Canada. Remember to always consult with your healthcare provider about any concerns or questions about your medication. Before using Rhinase Aerosol Mist, make sure to inform your doctor or pharmacist about any allergies you may have to its ingredients or any other allergies you may have. This product may contain inactive ingredients that could potentially cause allergic reactions or other issues, so it's important to discuss this with your pharmacist for more information. Additionally, Rhinase Aerosol Mist is safe to use during pregnancy and while breastfeeding. Make sure to follow the recommended dosage and use it at the optimal time for the best results. When using Rhinase Aerosol Mist, it's important to be aware of potential drug interactions. These interactions can affect how your medications work or increase your risk for serious side effects. It's important to keep a list of all the products you use, including prescription and non-prescription drugs, as well as herbal products, and share it with your doctor and pharmacist. Always consult with your doctor before starting, stopping, or changing the dosage of any medicines while using Rhinase Aerosol Mist. No cases of overdose have been reported with Rhinase Aerosol Mist. This product can be used safely within the recommended dosage. It's important to remember not to share Rhinase Aerosol Mist with others, as doing so could increase the risk of infection. This medication is designed for personal use only. When it comes to using Rhinase Aerosol Mist, it's important to understand its uses and benefits. This medication is used to relieve symptoms of dry, irritated nasal passages. It can also help with allergies and sinus congestion. The recommended dosage is usually 1 or 2 sprays in each nostril, as needed. It's best to use Rhinase Aerosol Mist when you first notice symptoms, and you can use it multiple times a day if needed. Be sure to follow the instructions on the label and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. Make sure to check the storage information on the package and keep the container tightly closed. It's important to keep all drug products away from children and pets. If you have any questions about storage, ask your pharmacist. When it comes to discarding the product, do not flush medications down the toilet or pour them into a drain unless instructed to do so. Properly discard this product and it is expired or no longer needed. You can consult your pharmacist or local waste disposal company for more information. If you need more help, call your doctor for medical advice. In the US, you call FDA, 1-800-FDA-1088. In Canada, you may call Health Canada, 1-866-234-2345. Wishing you good health. Thanks for watching.